How's it going, everybody? My name is John. I'm here today with Patrick Volvo Cars, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg and Naperville, Illinois. And today I have a 2026 Volvo XC60. It just got a whole bunch of upgrades for this new model year, and I'm going to tell you all about them. Let's go. Now, a couple cool facts with the Volvo XC60 is that this is actually the brand's best-selling car of all time. They've sold over 1.5 million XC60s since 2008, and over the summer, Patrick Volvo Cars was the proud seller of the 5 millionth Volvo ever sold in the US, and it was an XC60. So really cool marks that this car has hit in the past couple of years. It is just really cool knowing that this is such a great all-around vehicle, and it's getting the sales numbers to back that up also. And now specifically to this car here, this is a B5, so it has the 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, puts out 247 horsepower and 266 foot-pounds of torque, and is mated to a mild hybrid 48-volt electric system. So you get a little bit of extra boost from those electric motors just to help further the efficiency even more. Now for 2026, Volvo kept the party going and they gave the XC60 some visual enhancements, some software stuff too. I'll tell you about that when we get inside. But one of the biggest visual changes is with the grille. So this particular XC60 has the dark theme, which means you get a blackout package all around the vehicle, so all the trim. If you get the bright trim, then you're going to have chrome detailing all around the vehicle. But with this one being black, it still has the new grille, which features all of these diagonal kind of intersecting lines here, and it kind of cuts right across the Volvo Iron Mark logo on the front grille itself. Another new addition for 2021 is the wheels. These are 21-inch wheels, and they're wrapped in Pirelli all-season tires. But as always, the front end of an XC60 is always just such a good-looking car. The proportions on every single Volvo are just very nice. Everything just fits so well. It looks so stately. It looks like a car went to college. I've said that in Volvo videos before, but it really does. These are handsome. These are intelligent-looking vehicles. I really like the way they look. Let us know what you think down below. And now checking out the interior of the XC60, you can see just how beautiful it is in here. It really is a great place to spend some time, and you got a bunch of new stuff to play with for 2026 models that I'll show you in a second. But starting off with the seats, this interior color is called Blonde, which I think is a great name, especially considering the Swedish heritage of these cars, and they are just so comfortable. I love these seats. All Volvo seats are designed with the help of an orthopedic surgeon to give you perfect back posture as you're sitting in the seat. These seats are heated and cooled. They feel great, and you could spend forever on them, and I especially love the power front thigh extender. It is very comfortable to sit in this car for a very long time. A couple of the other interior details I love is one being the steering wheel, which you can see is two-tone with the black outer rim. I love having a light-colored steering wheel, but of course you don't want to get it all dirty all the time from touching it, so having that nice black outer rim adds a level of class and cleanliness to the interior. You also get the full digital display up here. You can see that it's running Google Maps in the background as well. Very clean instruments on there as well. And then the Orforce shifter, which I absolutely love in every Volvo. It just looks so good, looks so cool. Definitely a unique design touch for these cars, and they're all handmade and they look glorious. Definitely a cool tie-in to another famous Swedish brand. But the biggest difference you're going to see is going to be with the infotainment system. This is all new for 2026. It's got a whole new binnacle. It's a much larger screen. I believe it went from 9 inches to 11.2, so quite a bit bigger, and it all really works very well. So you have your normal kind of layout here with your maps up at the top. You got your radio, your phone if it's connected. These tiles can all move around. Everything is very configurable in here too. And then the biggest thing is going to be with the Google Assistant in the car, where you can just say, "Hey Google," and then you can just tell the car to do whatever you want and it'll do it for you. It works flawlessly. But a couple other cool things in here as well. You have all of the apps that are downloaded into the car as well. You can get a whole bunch of cool stuff, including even YouTube, so you can watch YouTube videos in your Volvo. Not while you're driving, of course, but it's very cool to do that when you're parked. And then you can also have access to the Google Play Store, where you can download endless other apps that are fully compatible to use inside the car. A couple other cool things in here too. You have all of your settings for all of the sound design, everything in here. Setting up your driver's profile, which links to your key. Just a whole whole bunch of cool stuff. I went over the system in full in another video on the EX90. If you want to watch that video, you can click on the link up at the top corner there. But yeah, just an absolutely beautiful interior. You got a nice pano sunroof in here too. Plenty of room in the back for the kids or even adults as well. And then this very, very light wood. It's almost like a barn wood going through the car. Just looks very, very nice. And you even get a little cover for the cup holders as well. Good amount of room in the center console also. And then new for 2026, you also get a screen back here too for the heating and air controls for the rear. So bunch of little nice additions. Definitely a worthy facelift for the car. And another little touch, always love the Swedish flag on the seats too. All right, thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something about the XC60 that you didn't know before. As always, if you need any help with parts, service, or sales, the number for Patrick Volvo Cars is right down below here. We'd appreciate you checking us out online and on our social media platforms. We just revised our Instagram account, so we'd appreciate a follow there. We're still pretty new, trying to gain some traction, so definitely appreciate that. But in the meantime, stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Have a great day.